What's going on, guys? Let's see. How's the stream quality? Are we all good? Can you guys see me okay? Okay. Alright, can you guys hear me okay at all or no? Yeah, so super choppy. Let's see. Okay. Give me 1 second for those that can't hear me. I'm gonna update you guys on the Discord chat. So, like, is it super choppy where it's just not useful at all, or can we still work with it? Yeah. So I'm not in what's it called? I'm not in Arizona. I'm still in LA. My flight is at 10 a.m. and I'm staying at my friend's Nick's place because. Okay, perfect. I have to be a little quiet because Nick and his girlfriend um, are on the other side of this wall. So let me go ahead and start sharing my screen. Just like this. Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Diaz pulling back to about 730. Now on its way to make higher highs. So let's get this set up. Okay. There we go. Oh no, I'm not sleepy at all. I'm super yeah, I'm super good. I'm not tired at all. So here we go. Can anyone tell me why we're investing or why I'm investing in Diaz? It's crazy to see something up so much, right? When it was actively trending down so aggressively. Let's see. Making higher highs, its direction, correct. Let's see. Okay. Here we go. So let's see if this momentum continues. I'm going to check out /NG. So /NG and watch it a little bit closer. So we're getting some consolidation for a potential recovery. There we go. Here we go at highs based off previous patterns. There we go. Okay. Sorry about that. No, I just don't want to speak too loud. So as of right now, ticker symbol DGAS, I'm watching /NG to see if the downtrend pattern continues. /NG, as you guys know, I like to follow direction and whatever's showing signs of an uptrend. So looking at /NG, I could see that it's been selling off all during extended hours, and I was just confirming that it wasn't making higher highs and that it was going to get rejected at that resistance. But again, its direction can still change, so still waiting on that. Alrighty. Here we go, so we're showing signs of a potential reversal. Okay, so now just looking at seeing if it's time to cut losses. So seeing if it breaks below the middle VWAP. Also, another ETF that's currently trending up, or that was trending up, was ticker symbol SQs. Looks like now it's selling off during market open. So let's see how DWT is. DWT is down 1.7, about 2%. Okay. Here we go. Let's see if we begin to see higher highs. There we go. Here we go. So it looks like we got the bounce off the middle VWAP. There we go, back to 380. Watch out for a resistance. Oh. Okay, so again, resistance right around 380. Waiting to see if it breaks above that $3.80 resistance for ticker symbol DGAS. The MACD was looking good, but it got rejected, so now it's pulling back a little bit. Let's check out /NG. So it's building a support right around this area of 435. Or right around this EMA line. Here we go. Take a look at DGAS over here. There we go. Yeah, so John Lee, just like everyone's saying right now, the overall direction for pre-market hours was a downtrend for natural gas, which means that DGAS then pushes up. And I was just following whatever direction was showing signs of an uptrend. So, and then for all those that are just tuning in right now, I'm not at my house in Arizona. I am still in LA. My flight is at 10 a.m. and there's people sleeping like right behind me, so that's why I'm just watching how much I speak and how loud it is. I really do apologize for the inconvenience for all of you guys. I just explained to Jen. It's 6:47 a.m. over here. Ooh, Ray made a profit off of you guys. I like it. Nice. So we're seeing a really nice bounce off that EMA line in that middle VWAP for ticker symbol DGAS, which looks promising as of now. Looks like we're just about to break above 380. There we go. Broke above 380. How was the meeting, boss? Warner, I thought it went really well. I should have access to it in about a week, and we'll see how it goes. Use a headset, trust me. I wish I had one. I used to bring it with me all the time. I did not plan on staying. There was no flights that I was able to get after my meeting. Okay. It just sounds like there's a good amount of you that are being bothered by the lag in the stream and the lag of the volume. Um, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep you up to date through text via Discord. Again, I truly do apologize. I'm going to be as active for the next, 30 minutes to 45 minutes within the main chat, and I'll be answering questions there as well. So just be sure to tag me, and then we can go from there. I just see again. I just hate bothering you guys, and I do apologize um, for the inconvenience. I just see how many people are being bothered. So, okay. Okay. So we have enough people saying it's okay. Okay, we'll stay. And again, trust me, like this is not a position like I hate trading off of my laptop. It's not a good experience for you guys, and it's not a good experience for me. So we'll stay. Here we go. Pulling back again. Let's check this out. Really strong resistance. I don't know if you guys remember, but with /NG, they had that really strong support, right? Let's see this. And again, for all those that are currently in DGAS that are green, don't be afraid to lock in profits. Just a friendly reminder. Yeah, so the natural gas report comes out in about 38 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. Natural gas trying to pull back up again. Are you staying in natural gas for the report? No. I like that, Daniel. Locking in profits, that's always good. What do you mean by the report? So there's a natural gas report that comes out every Thursday, 1 hour after the market opens. So it usually acts as a positive or negative catalyst for either one of the ETFs. So we usually wait for the report to come out. 27% on Diaz. Well, that's really good to hear. So Rick Garza is saying, I want to lock in profits, but I feel like if I hold for the long haul, it'll eventually go back up. With this, again, it's up to you. I just always think that it's better to control like the ins and outs of your trades. So I would still go with locking in profits myself. You crack me up, Steven. Of course, Rick. And again, thank you again, Nick, for the friendly reminder. Remember that you could always get back in if you feel like it's still showing signs of an uptrend, and you want to get back in with a smaller position size, just to not risk so much. Then that's also not a bad idea. Again, it's you guys are asking me like, what do I think is going to happen with natural gas? Like, I don't know. Um, I don't know which direction it's going to be going. I can't tell the future. Um, Here we go. We got D-gas back at 380. Yeah, so T-Bird, the easiest way to answer that, so why has natural gas been so volatile? It's the season for natural gas. So I have a video on YouTube that you can search it up. I uploaded it like last week or 2 weeks ago. It was after natural gas had its first push up, and during the winter months, natural gas prices go up due to overall demand. So it makes sense on why natural gas prices go up. David, I've never had a crystal ball. I'm not that good. If I did, then I would probably take larger positions, right? There we go, making lower lows. Of course, T-Bird. Exactly, Nick. Nick, you're helping out so much today, my guy. Thank you. Here we go, making lower lows on natural gas. What time is the report? It's 1 hour after the market opens everywhere. I like that, Pascal. Thank you again for sharing some of the fundamentals. I hope you guys are all having a great, um, Thursday morning. I can't wait to be back in AZ with some Chipotle. Hopefully, a green day for all of us. I like that, Chad. Thank you. So another thing, Rick, to answer your question, has been crude oil. Crude oil, there's an abundance of crude oil. Um, so the prices are very cheap right now, and that's why we see /CL selling off, and that's why we see DWT go up. Except for the people that held that. Ricky, were you self-taught? Yep, I mean, from videos that I watched on YouTube and like forums that I read online. Um, but yeah, I mean, everything was from just whatever was provided online. There we go. DGAS is aggressively um, selling off with /NG recovery. Here we go. Alright, getting rejected again from natural gas, meaning that DGAS is going back up. So, I don't know how to pronounce her name, but Ligar Male Enhancement. Um, I said that, if you're having an issue with the live stream, um, you can tune back in later. But yeah, I know you can't hear me. Again, I'm not at my trading area, so um, this is not something I haven't gone live in my laptop like this in like the longest time. So. Appreciate that, Kiefer. Again, I do apologize for the inconvenience. I just wanted to make sure that we went live and at least talked about whatever was actively trending up. So that's a good question. So do technicals matter when it comes to natural gas and based on supply and demand, correct? So technicals do matter, but obviously if there's a strong catalyst that's based off of like fundamentals, then that will outweigh it for that period. After that hype or that news dies out, then technicals tend to take over. So, yep, so the natural gas report is in 28 minutes. So am I trading /NG? I am not. I'm just watching it closely. I'm currently in ticker symbol DGAS, which means that if natural gas continues to sell off, then DGAS will continue to uptrend. So you guys can see my position here is ready to sell for ticker symbol DGAS. And again, just a friendly reminder that for others that might be tuning in for the first time, if you guys are asking like, hey, is this how every live stream is going to be? Not at all. I haven't done one on my laptop because I haven't traveled in a while, in like a couple months. So I just wanted to make sure that I went live today. So again, I do apologize for the inconvenience. Yep, I am looking at that Orbis, how it's doing that like that descending triangle pattern, right? So definitely watching it very closely. Of course, Nicholas. Appreciate that. Of course, of course. Here we go. So do you see how there's this overall support right here for natural gas, right around $4.30? I want to see if we could break below that. So it's building a very strong support, and look, we're most likely going to get a bounce and a ride to that EMA line. And then we want to see if it continues, if it could actually break below. Sorry to hear that, Gene. Appreciate that, Philip. Here we go. This might be interesting. We have a descending MACD. See what happens there. Oh, I got scared for a second. I thought my TOS froze as well. So here we go. Here we go. Yeah, so just a reminder for those that are tuning in right now. I'm not at my house, obviously. I'm still in LA, streaming off my laptop. Don't have headphones. Please put your volume all the way up. And yeah. You ever trade futures? I do not. So Bonehead, you should be able to click this button here where it allows you to change, um, the percentage. It allows you to change the dollar value. It allows you to change to the amount of shares, or it allows you to change to percentage. I don't know if you saw it change, but make sure that you're given that option. Tired of resetting TOS. Sorry about that. Here we go. Yes. So you have to enable the advanced trader options in TD Ameritrade website to do that. Yep. Oh shoot, here we go. Are we gonna break it? There we go. Watch out for a potential either recovery or aggressive sell-off. Here we go. You're lucky they don't snore. I agree. Alright, watch out for potential recovery. Do I have a video on buying power and how it works? Explain to me a little bit more about that. What do you mean? Just by the amount of money that you have capable to buy? Yeah, it still charges you commission if you add more to your position size. So you can also, if you're having trouble adding the advanced trader option on your TD Ameritrade account website, then just call a TD Ameritrade rep and they will assist you in activating it in like 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah. So, okay, Bonin, I'll definitely make a video on that. ETA on natural gas report. So, again, it comes out 1 hour after the market opens from wherever you are. So, from like it's 7:09 a.m. right now for me. So, it comes out in about 21 minutes. This is not moving very effectively. Will you be live? I believe so. Here we go. I'm going to get rid of 50% of my position right now. Oh no. What was that? Oh no. Give me 1 second. Something popped up. Looks like it logged me out. Sorry about that, guys. There we go. It's not. Yeah. TOS froze. I have it on my phone. This is like ridiculous. I do apologize. It looks like TOS is frozen right now. But I have my overall thing on my phone. You guys can see the current price, my overall position size, how much I'm up. $496 so far. I'm going to click close position, sell my shares at market price. Let's see. Wow, it's pulling back. My TOS is not working. My mistake. Here we go. Is this the laptop that you're going to give away? No. I would never put you guys through this. I think I need to also give myself a laptop. It's been like 5 years. Here we go. It's picking back up. This is the upsetting part because if I would have sold my position, I could have locked in profits at nearly $500 and bought the dip again and sold it for more. So let's see. Okay, so it's just not my TOS that's lagging, it's everybody. We're gonna try to stick through the natural gas report, but we really need this everything to like pick up with the connection issues. So here we go. I just saw your thing, Steven. You cracked me up. I was literally thinking the same thing. Yeah, look at the MACD on DGAS and look at the RSI on DGAS. So I'm gonna have to get out. It's pulling back and it might be changing directions. So I just don't want to get caught in this, especially so close to the natural gas report. So I'm watching it and look at the bid. We're at $3.86. Definitely with that $4 resistance. Alright, so we're right around that EMA line, and watch out for that bid if it continues to drop. If it continues to drop, then showing sign of a downward pattern. Here we go. So, what was natural gas in favor of last week? It was in favor of um, degas, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can check back. Look at forward. Look at like a 10-day chart. Here we go. I have the order ready on my phone to send if I see the break. Its direction is really changing. It's really struggling to make higher highs. Do you see that consolidation? The 86, 87. So I'm going to send it here. So I sold it, as you guys could see on the left hand side, at $3.86. And of course, oh my god, that's fine. Isn't that ridiculous? So I bought back in, but now with 50%. My position size was too big in my eyes. And there it goes. Back to the 387, 388. So I had twice as many shares as what I do now, and my position size was just too big. I didn't understand its direction. I did not feel comfortable investing that much without truly knowing its direction. So what I did was I, I should have just sold half of my position, honestly. But again, I had no distinction in which side of its direction was going to go. So back to 86 to 87 and watch it break its support now. It wouldn't surprise me. Let's look at this. Okay, there we go. It's selling off, selling off. Come on. Here we go. Made 2% on DGAS today. That's more than enough. Congratulatory. Yep, natural gas report coming out in 8 minutes. There we go. Nice little push. No, so what made you take that position, knowing versus natural gas report coming out? So I don't plan on holding it during the natural gas report whatsoever. It was more of the reversal that natural gas was going to continue to sell off, while degas was still showing signs of an uptrend. We got 6 minutes left. Yeah, let's take a look at JNUG. So let's take a look at JDST. Okay, so JDST is now selling off. It's really reaching a support. Do you see this? The previous support that it has right around 76.70. So I would wait to see if it continues to make lower lows or if it bounces around this area and then begins to make higher highs. I would watch that closely. So it would be the exact opposite for JNUG. So then JNUG, right, should be at its resistance and to see if it pulls back and makes higher highs or if it just acts as a resistance and then gets rejected. Here we go. It's trying to recover. How can we get your watch list? I can share it with you guys if you guys want it. So it's now starting to show signs of recovery. Huge recovery. Yeah, I'll throw that watch list on LPP. So we got 3 minutes left, about 2.5 really. Okay, so we're getting too close to it, and I'm just gonna close my position. Let's see where it's at. There we go. So I got filled at 3.8924. Again, I just didn't want to risk it. So natural gas report comes out in 2 minutes. I need to try to lead by example and not hold it, right? So I don't know which one's going to go up, which one's going to go down. So let's just give it time. I could always get into the one that's sold off and try to ride the recovery. But do I really want to hold a position, hope I predict the right one, and then, you know, guesstimate and try to recover back? It's just I'd rather play more of the offense than the defense when trading. What did you make? I didn't make any. I made like 1 cent per share, so like $4. So with my commissions, I lost $4. Here we go. You guys ready? Again, just a friendly reminder, there's nothing wrong with locking in profits. So wish you guys the best of luck. All right, here we go. Here we go. So it looks like natural gas is selling off. Gas is pushing up. Again, don't be afraid to lock in profits. Wait, that's it? There might be a second push. Let's wait for it. Hold up. Wait, it's changing direction. Again, don't be afraid to lock in profits. Okay. Um, it looks like he gave it a little bit to both sides. That have been pretty neutral. Watch out for this though. It looks like it's still trying to recover for natural gas. Yeah, I've never seen a report come out so neutral. I still missed out on my degas profits, so at least you guys are doing better than I am. It looks like my computer and my voice are not the only things that have low volume today. That it's okay. I'm done. Everybody just waste their day trades. No, let's not do that. Ricky, can you please answer my question? Yeah, what's going on, Jay? What's going on, Jay? Okay. Dalton. Oh, where do you see the natural gas report? There's a link that we've shared in the announcement section, and I'm sure someone has it saved as well, where we can send it to you in the main chat if that works for you, where you can get access to where the natural gas report is released. But we usually don't look at the natural gas report. We usually just wait to see which one pushes up and which one goes down, due to the overall. Because again, if the natural gas report comes out literally that moment, it's almost impossible to read what it says and then make a judgment on a trade. So that's why we don't review it very often. There we go. So Dan, thank you again for that. If you want to copy and paste that. But Alright, guys, my flight is at 10 a.m. I'm gonna grab some breakfast and then head on out to LAX. I really do appreciate you guys' support. I want to apologize again, and I know you guys are telling me not to, but I want to apologize to everybody that tuned in and that the live stream just wasn't at par. I just wanted to make sure that I went live rather than not going live, and I hope it's something that you guys are okay with. So, thank you guys again for your time. We'll see you guys in just a little bit, and I owe you still from yesterday. I still have not given anybody the $387 that I said that I would. So again, I do apologize. It's just my plans changed due to my delayed flight. So I do apologize again, and I will be giving that away today once I get back. So that's on top of the giveaway on Saturday. So really do appreciate you guys' time. Hope you guys have an amazing and a blessed Thursday, and we'll see you in a couple hours. Thank you guys again for your time. Wow, I'm so close to the camera.